Hello everybody. um, Today I'm going to make a very short video showing you how to integrate Aweber form into WP plus X. So I have this code I get from Aweber here, and as you can tell that this is not a normal form because it has no form tag in the code like this one. If you will see a code have something like this, start with form and end with form, then it's a normal form tag. But instead we have JavaScript tag here. Then you need to a different way to integrate this form into the page. So as you can see that it has two parts here. The first one start from div to div here, and the second one start with script and script. So how do we put it into our script page? So the first thing you need to do is to copy this script part, copy, and go to settings of your page, go to advanced, and paste it into tracking code or meta. Doesn't matter which part, but I just paste in meta here. Then after that I'm going to drag a code element into the page, and then I copy the second part, click on the edit icon and paste the code in here like that, and click outside, and you see nothing. But on the real page you will see the form. So now I give the page a name, Aweber, and click on save as, and you can either save as page or a custom post. And the difference, as I mentioned in a previous video, that as a page, the page will be indexed by search engines, and as custom post, it will not be indexed by search engine. So that is a very subtle difference. That if you don't think the difference is important, so you can either way you can choose either a page or a custom post. So I can save now as custom post and click on view page, and you see it here. This is the form we have for our page. So that's it. That is how you integrate a JavaScript form from Aweber to WP plus X. So thank you for watching, and if you have any question, please let me know. Goodbye and have a great day.